Welcome back to the Mix Lovelies and Friends. And on the mix, we have Dwayne. Now, Dwayne is dissecting the issue that is on social media, that big thing that is happening on social media with Lorraine and her grandson, and what allegedly seemed like the CPS was called on her and her husband, allegedly. And he's dissecting the different conversations that are going around on social media in this effect or to this effect. Well, what Dwayne is saying is basically that if a person is or concerned about a child's safety, then it would have been okay for them to call to ensure that the kid is okay. Now, many of us or many people will disagree with him, but we all can understand where he's going with this. But then on the other level, it's something that is personal, something that's in Lorraine's household. Basically, her grandchild is in her household and should not have been taken to social media. But there's a lot of ways that we could look at it. We could look at it as in, that would have been the right thing to do as a concerned citizen. And then we can look at it from this angle that, the child is in Lorraine's household. The child is not supposed to be dragged in social media, and no one was supposed to call. Well, in that we can take any side that we need to take in this because we are all free to speak our minds as well. But in Dwayne's situation, he's saying that if it was him, he would have called as well, based on what he would have been hearing on social media. If he was a concerned citizen, then he would have reached out as well to see exactly what would have been going on, and so that the relevant authorities they could throw out foul play, or if there's foul play, then they could assess it and speak off that. So he's saying that basically he wouldn't bash the person that did it, because if it was him, then he would have done the same thing. But you guys go ahead. I know it's going to be a debate on this, and you guys can just go ahead and remember to like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel. Go over and watch the video, watch what he has to say. And if you take sides with him, you could go ahead and leave that information. If not, you could go ahead and leave that as well. It's a free speak and channel, so you could speak your mind as to how you feel about this situation. And have yourselves, guys, a wonderful, wonderful one now.
I don't know if she did, but Tina did say something to imply that she was going. Kennedy, I'm not going to lie for her. I remember a conversation at some point. She said, oh, you remember, see, I have grandchildren too, or something along that line. And I'm sure, listen, that's why I feel like they came at her with this conversation, because she somewhat kind of implied that's, to be quite frank, she kind of did. But do I think she did it? If I don't see the evidence, because these people are saying them have evidence, put out the evidence, bring her to an open disgrace, put out evidence. And even when you put out evidence based on conversation that this person who's now talking, this person and others, Maxine to be exact, spoke about on social media, right? Me being a concerned citizen of Maryland or America or wherever, me a call to me not care, me a call, because let's be real. It is better to be safe than sorry. And a child was implicated. Well, is it implicated? Well, a child was thrown into some kind of not so pleasant conversation. And, a genuine concerned citizen would have done the same thing too. And I don't care. If any of you says you wouldn't do it, then you clearly are not a good human being. Because God forbid Kennedy have a son. And I hear that John is doing stuff to Kennedy's son. And I live in that area, and I have me know for the people and whatever. Me a call because I need to make sure foul play is gonna be, you know, throughout. Yeah, foul play. But let's get that short. It's either foul play is happening or it's not, and I just eat that because that is what a real concerned citizen would do. And if you don't accept it, then darling, on a life just messed up, messed up for true. I'm gonna tell us nothing on don't have nowhere going. God forbid. Let me use Bigfoot. Bigfoot go cost me. If me live at Curacao, I mean, it's somebody that touch Bigfoot man, somebody that touch, you know, me I call Curacao authorities to. I don't care. I'm doing it as a concerned citizen. I am. It's the right thing to do. The children should be protected at all costs. So let the proper authorities rule out foul play or say foul play again. It's up to them to differentiate whether it's happening or it's not. Who are we? Outsiders looking in. Don't take no side in this. Not take no side. If on the take side, that little boy said, the little boy side. So now on the north side, now all of you knows that there's no foul play being, you know, that part. You understand?
Vagabond them. We're over upon our platforms, stay over there and live with that and keep that and say, yes, so then go up them business as quiet. So then go up God cut down them blessing because what? It's a lying tongue is abomination unto the Lord. And Lorraine asleep, tormented. And every day this woman have to come out and tell one lie. Me rotted. How this woman asleep?
Very true.
Boy, I go sue. Me take boat to Michelle.
What about Maxine?
Me sure me can go on a boat.
What about Maxine Kimberly? Because Maxine was the first person. Maxine Foster was the first person I heard with my 2 ears came on social media and uttered such a not so pleasant thing out of her mouth about a minor and what has been. We can't even say it. That. Yeah, I'm Maxine first tweet. Maxine. Yeah. And if all of you are following this gossip for some time now, you know where it all started from.
We can't use the peer boat because we are going to sue me for how much 100 million. And if I have 100,000, I'm sure I can go up on a boat. I'm here to tell you straight up the main thing. I don't trust you guys. It's nice foolish things to me. Is to have you and Lorraine picture in my palm. I swear to God, go and go sue me. And tell God to dry up the sea when you sue me. Tell God say to dry the sea when you sue me. Anytime you sue me, tell God to dry the sea. Because I'm going to give you money. You're not covered like you, Michelle. Because when you come in and have not even water, I must see 2 blue chum out and say you're going to take the blood clot. And the 2 beer them with another money by way in a bar.
Being
if
neutral.
have a bar, the landlord don't kick me out. So there's nothing for you. We have a get off of me if you sue you. And me have suing pound because me have AIDS and remember me have the ball in the print out in my blood clot life. So that's how me know say Jamaica will that take me now, Michelle. Me know the people on my platform that get me a visa. If me can't get it by blood clot, tell them that send me invitation. Just to come in your country, me have your address, me have a whole lot of address already. Michelle, you know, waste of blood clot, dirty germs. You know, a drunk crop. You know, a illiterate dog. Look on a girl who never shelter rain and that school can come and do a lawyer topic for you. Come and do a judge topic. Come and do a police topic. Come and do a CDA topic. Everything me give you in a one. Cover Tina under your blood. What do you?
I want to talk here, darling. Guys, speak your mind.
Cover them, Lord.
Speak your mind. Remember. Speak on
you
mind.
Come out and tell this a lie upon a woman that turn down social media. You don't see woman just get fat and just a pretty so and just a go on so with herself and just a gone. So what see if Tina is it? Any old Tina answer you is smallest girl on social media. This no need to answer to no intelligent people. No very intelligent people. No decent people. So Lorraine alone a liar and judge and deacons and prophet on her platform. Lorraine alone intelligent. So it come like you like intelligent people and come off and really follow me with it over there. And if it book to come like a God, make me block them out and run them and then was enough to come crossing. They come like a God. With the mind see when police are Rastad page. When me go down my bar, me I go do one live. If you got to pay police and soldier down there so. Me I go do one live behind the scene and question one of them. If you got to say one down there so.
Guys, like and share. Please like and share.
Come over bar to me. And next station me can go ask him. Right over there. Right in there. And if a soldier me I go to right in there to the sergeant. Me bumbo hole if me there my next one now me call it original, me call it boss.
It don't. It really don't, share.
Up there, so.
It don't.
Yeah, man. You call me, I go do this for me live. You not get away with this. You're too lie. Me I show people how liar is. You could never get your yard. So anybody not understand it, if something like that happen,
Thank you,
could never
Janet.
their yard and her life. Steve bound up in their jail, bound up in happy and bound up and most happy in a jail. So what you don't know, you then just come and you just say, the little boy don't get trouble. I choose social media argument, them just say that. And then just drive back out there. Okay, granny, you want good granny, alright. Your blood clot, I think they can buy out, mama.
One of Lorraine's ex-affiliation.
I witness and evidence deal with them thing there in the court. All when me think and dirty, I don't have nothing, and they come. And all when me rich like trillionaire and me house pack like me one supermarket and pack up a pit then the funny batty and the front trouble cracker teeth, you going down. Only way you come back out unless you never know say it happen. So and when you go here saying it happen again, the person we call Lorraine, I go have the live, them and get everybody live and send them in and say, see from when this been talking and the live on the back chatting about this. And look when this live done. After they say they molest your grandson ass, look when this live done with the man in the water. Look how long the molest in her ass come out to the inner the water one. So look how long they are and look on the motion of the man in the water. Girl got blood class, you don't look how dirty thinking Jezebel. You can't treat nobody out there. 13 minutes and she treat you. Don't cuss about that 13. Don't cuss Tina about that. Find something else and just feel like make it up and tell Tina. Say, Tina, you're big and fat and you're nice and you're clean. And you just have bakes and me feel like me pity them, you hate them and me feel like more. Cuss Tina about them something 13. Do not use this against Tina. No use this. Don't use this. If you did intelligent, you know you don't know enough to use this. Because Lorraine could have come out, come talk or out her mouth. Don't use it. Do not use it. Don't believe in that one. Don't make she give you no pillar no tablet off of that one. I look help. I saw the girl do so for you, man. Take time and friend you around, you know. Can I feel good then on here, Stacy I cuss me, and I feel good on here, 13 I cuss Tina then, you know. I feel like I say we are come around. We're not unsent Stacy. And we're not unsent 13 and Lady T. They don't deserve an answer because they say who know better do better. They don't know better, so you leave them right there. They're dumb animals, so you leave them there. Who know better do better. Tina know better, I know better, we do better. Damn. What you done, son, a bright girl.
Girl, I'm not laugh. I'm not laughing.
So, look. No, see, I have bright people over here. Let me act this. Go to no one then you smoking and the bad water put you Cops will not give out the identity of who made the report.
What do you hear that?
Yes, man. Let's see what she means.
What do you hear? Look what?
Dennis.
Identity.
So, hey, them people up on my life. Listen, man. You see, I have a whole intelligent people.
I cannot be mad. Oh, she's mocking Lorraine. Oh, I get it now. She's mocking Lorraine.
So, then the police is
I get it. I get it. I got the joke. I just got it.
I'm going to tell them, say, Tina changed it. But then I say, I can't tell them, I have a video them I post. Then I want to tell me. When I keep going over there, so to Tina Chin, you me like a dirty local girl and me mouth just loud and me think and dirty, no, you me not have nothing. If you not sue and get off, so no want Tina to come out and talk, you know, if you not sue. Because me not have nothing else for you to sue me for, because I go sit down and look and say, also all the drunk there. No, just in a jail, him I go. And me two pitney them I go out there, ball for mama and hungry, and nobody know if you feed them, and after me, I mean, well, I water them all shit pan. When they pitney them ball, when no granny no around them, me send her a present for
grown-ups.
Move your little under privileged, dirty, drunk, dog shit.
Grown-ups.
Police I go, and them just sit there, go give out invitation. You know, make me read on my bright and decent, intelligent people when we go to school and sit down on my platform. And that's why I'm telling you, big up to my followers them. No come here nice people, you have sense here, man. No come here, no must think this happy fame or sitting. We just sit down here and reason and do right from wrong. And with the wrong, and look how the wrong just come in louder.
Very true, Kennedy, very true. So true.
It no matter who Michelle wants to tell them, who that wants to tell them. Everybody is just looking at help because Tina, so then we just say it's Tina. Bye, love.
And I feel like it's a cool.
Maybe I'll Michelle call it a ratted hole. Just to say a Tina. Maybe I'll...
Remember I told you guys, I feel like this whole... It's a cool. And that one. A cool. I feel like Tina Chim, you have just accumulated way too many enemies on here. And I swear... Tina Chin, if it don't take nothing from me before, take this from me. This year, 2024, maybe it's full time you shake up your image per se. Because let's be real, you have a lot of haters. A lot of people hate you, a lot of them. And they will do anything and everything to see you fall. So maybe it's time you say, yo, enough is enough. Make amends with people if you have to. Cut and go through. I don't know. I'm only suggesting. But don't cost me. Don't cost me. Not cost me. Right now, I don't want to argue a soul. I just want to come on here and have fun and go about my business. And that's it. So please don't curse me. Thanks.
Call it just to see a Tina. Maybe when Michelle sit down and look on the video and I want her so long, so she have to do something about it. She have to do something. She sit down and said, oh man, this look like Lorraine coming like she take this thing for joke. Let me call him over here. Then go over there. It's either or either. Maybe I want Michelle talk to you so much, Michelle just get fed up and say, look, this not look real, man. Look in our water, yourself. Look in our water. And when I time me see hand hang out like I want to watch the panny. Me think I did for the man hand because the man is showing hand like a film hand. And me think I did for the man hand when they notice good that the little boy have and the same thing panny hand we have. So the little boy hand did out this up him and definitely they down under the water. When Michelle go sit down and really look pan, you know people on my page man I go look pan if Angela 1000 can maybe I pass someone or pass by and I look pan the video. But look pan the video with the little boy in the slide and the skates when the man push him up on the wall.
That would be a bump.
The pan won't see pan the hand because it's a video you know. Me tell me say me have 2 video on my phone and me not stop watching them. You see Ladana, me can't stop looking for Ladana that the day when I dinner. Because now me can't figure out which part of Ladana. And that little boy thing, every time they come on my phone pop up, me look upon them. Me ever look upon them to see which part. The man you have a wrong where I not touch him, I touch a little boy body. The man you have a wrong where I not look him, I look if somebody I look upon him. I saw me deal with that live there. Yes, she want all the man to go to prison that she can get Lorraine as far as me see.
Absolutely, Sean.
Michelle calls
Sean, you said, but Dwayne, it's people like you and Gracie from those days make people don't like her. My opinion. No, I'm not going to take that. I think, girl, I don't think that. I think, remember, all I used to do was post content on my page, right? So it's things that they say. It's not just her. I posted Donegal. I posted the Baker Man over there. So I posted all of them. So how are you going to say, are you going to imply it's people like me make people not like them?